A very warm welcome to Tech Paradise, and this is the course Instagram Organically Growth course, and this is the second video we are uploading on this course. And in our first video we learned that how we can make Instagram account by using a mobile phone. If you didn't watch that video, then link of that video will be in description, so must watch that. I hope you love that video and subscribe to my channel. So let's come towards today's topic. This video is about how we can switch our Instagram account into a creators account or a professional account, and after switching into a professional account we will see that what new features we will get in that account and how we can use that features. Hey, wait a minute, if you are confused that which account is better for you, business account or creator account, so let me give you a possible solution. Let me give you an example. If you have some hobby to create videos, you are editing videos and you are uploading on Instagram account, so definitely you have to choose creator account because you are creating your own content. And if you are a shopkeeper and you have to sell something, then definitely you have to switch into a business account. So I mentioned before that switch account according to your content. Now let's come towards our mobile screen and let's start the video. First of all, you have to open Instagram account or logged in into your Instagram app. After logging in, you will see multiple options, and you have to click here below on your screen. You will see your account will be opened. Click on three marks and go to your settings. After going into settings, find account, tap on account, and on the very below you will see switch to professionals account. So here maybe in your screen it will be another option but just similar to that, so click here. After tapping on here, you will choose according to your content which type of account you are switching into. So I am creating a creator account. After tapping on, tap next and select a category according to your content. Now you have to choose carefully which type of content you are producing. You have to choose category just like that. So I choose video creator and tap next. Now here you have to enter your email or mobile number on which you have made Instagram account and tap next after entering on it. After moving next, this type of window will appear on your screen, and here two options. You have to select both options, and if you are not selecting option, it will not affect your account, so it's upon you. Now select both options. After selecting both options, you have to move next, so tap on done. Here is the option to choose a page. If you have Facebook page for your Instagram account, then you have to choose a page and connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account, so your Facebook ID and Instagram ID will be interlinked together. And if you don't have, just simply move on. And after getting on, here is your creator account. And now let me talk about the features and how we can use our creator account. So after having a creator or a business account, we have a problem that a lot of messages we get from our audience. So if you are getting this problem, then you can categorize your messages into two categories, primary and general. Now let me show you that how we can categorize our messaging options. Just do it if you want to do accordingly what I am doing on my screen. Now you have to mark some options, mark some contacts that which you have to move from primary to general. After markings, you will see the general option below. Tap on general and your contacts will move in general messaging options. Now let's come back towards our Instagram profile. Now let me see that what are the new features Instagram will provide you in this creator account. Now click on Insight. This is the best option to judge your profile. After tapping on, you will see a multiple options. Now go to audience, because this is the main option where you can judge your audience from which country, and you can grow your channel so much fast. I hope you love my video. So in next 24 hours I will upload the part 3, this third video on this course Instagram Organically Growth. So stay tuned and subscribe to watch that video. If you are getting some queries, then you have to comment on below this video and I will give you a possible solution on your queries. So stay tuned. We will meet in next video after 24 hours.